Wasabi.
Wasabi is not okay.
Why not? Why
No.
not? It adds more like flavor and variation into
It
your
makes my
food.
mouth all prickly. I don't like it.
I like it because it kind of makes you like feel like you're gonna sneeze, but then you don't.
Sneezing isn't fun.
It's going. Oh. And we eventually got our work done. Aki-chan, 大丈夫? Did you sneeze?
Yeah.
Already.
Honestly.
It's a body. Bless you.
These people are impossible. Are you trying to upstage me?
Bless you. Toy? Bless you.
Know what? Know what?
Oh, it's
Know what?
what?
I haven't sneezed yet.
Oh, do you know what, Aki-chan? I felt like I was gonna sneeze, but I didn't. What?
Hey, I'm taking my medicine. Okay. I took medicine, but you probably just haven't noticed, but I'm a bit stuffy today. Bless you. That got on me.
Sorry, Aki-chan, I'm sorry. Happen. Hello.
Can we go somewhere quieter to talk about taxes?
Oh, what would be tax? Cat tax. Aki-chan tax.
What?
Aki-chan tax.
Which
Oh,
one?
sneeze tax.
Sneeze tax.
Sneeze tax. Will travelers pay the sneeze tax? Will you be okay with that?
Sneeze tax.
Sneeze tax. Oh no. Refuse to pay the sneeze
You
tax.
need to pay back tax on the sneezes so far.
Yeah, right?
If you don't pay your back tax, I'm gonna come for you.
Oh no. Hello? Now thank you for the sneeze tax. Thank you.
Yeah. Sneeze tax.
Yeah. Bless you. Tax time. Tax time. Everybody, make sure you file your taxes. Your sneeze taxes, right?
Sneeze tax.
casually say something that caused my heart to jump.
Did you jump? That hurt my neck.